shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. Now I'm back to see you dance just one more time.
Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my gosh, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. You just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time.
And oh my, I like your style.
You make me wanna cry. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh oh, oh oh, oh oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh oh, oh oh, oh oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again.
है सेलिब्रेशन, नाचो धनाधन, म्यूजिक बजाओ, कह दो ये सबसे। हाँ, है सेलिब्रेशन, नाचो धनाधन, म्यूजिक बजाओ, कह दो ये सबसे। आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से। जब को बोलो उतरे पलक से, आज की पार्टी मेरी का फुल नाच जम के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बाज न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको टाटा पाए मची है चू तोड़ के रू करे वो स्टेप के गिरे लोग दाएं बाएं नींद बिल्कुल जश्न का फुल नाच जम के पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बाज न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको टाटा पाए है इनविटेशन मिल के करे फन आओ जहाज में या भर के ट्रक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चांद को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से डिंग फटाफट डिंगी पापा डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डिंग फटाफट डिंगी पापा है सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनादन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चांद को बोलो उतरे फलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से डिंग फटाफट डिंगी पापा डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डम डम डुकुर डुकुर डिंग फटाफट डिंगी पापा
Game start. 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever, it's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you, get you, get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need
महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरे चिकने गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना। अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना, किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना। चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले करके बताना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना। परसों तलक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख। स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। Ramaya, Evastava Yaho, Ramaya, Evastava Yaho, Ramaya, Evastava Yaho, Ramaya, Evastava Yaho. Dance with me now, I can't break away. आज सारी फिक्रें तू shake away, shake away. दिल थिरकता डांस वाले ग्रूव पे, नाचू मैं तू स्टेप मेरा वेक वे। आज सारे काम कल पे डाल के, तक दिन नाची जाए ताल पे। डिस्को जैज ब्लूज सारे भूल के, देसी वाले गीत पे तू झूल के भले किया छैया रे, अब करता था तैयार। रमैया मस्तावैया, रमैया मस्तावैया।
All the kids in the house, I want to get your attention right now, right here near the backdrop. Shubham with me on the right side. Shubham, come here. You are the key to all the game prizes that I have. And I have Sangam with me on the left side. Sangam, is taraf aa jao. He is the key to all the chocolates that he has. Sangam, let's talk about numbers. Today we are watching India-Pakistan, so the numbers should be good. How many chocolates do you have in your wardrobe? नंबर बताओ कितने? 200, 250, okay, 250. Shubham, give me the number. How many game prizes do you have in your bag out there? 300. Are you sure? Do we even have 300 kids out here? So if I have to calculate, there are like 100 kids. So every kid is getting 3 prizes. Is that sure shot? That really makes sense to me. Okay, all the kids at the left and right, wherever you are, whichever corner you are, I'm gonna give you next 10 minutes to wrap up with whatever you're doing. If you're jumping at the bouncy, finish that in next 10 minutes. If you're at the claw machine, get it done immediately. If you're petting the animals, finish it off. If you're on the zip line queue, stop yourself from being there at the queue. Find someplace else. If you're at farmer's market, shop everything that's possible with the money you have. Because in next 10 minutes, me, Sangam and Shubham are here to give some prizes and chocolates to you. And we are done with the 10 minutes. If you see right here in front of the backdrop, I've kept some chairs out here. Every chair has a chocolate on it. We're looking out only for... Oh, hey, hold on. Nobody comes now. Wherever you are, stay there, stay there, stay there. Nobody is allowed to come now. We are only looking out for these 25, 30 odd kids. If you're quick enough to reach the chair when I say go, nobody comes now, I said. If you come in too early before I say go, we're taking that chocolate back. We're taking that prize back. It has to be real quick. When I say go, you come running out here, right on the chair. Are we ready? Are we all ready? ये कैसा ready है बाबा? More importantly, you guys have to sit on the chair, hold the chocolate in your hand, raise it high up in the air. But when I say go, Shubham, are you ready? अरे बाबा, I'm talking to my buddy. His name is... ये क्या? ये कौन सा cheating है? Nobody is allowed to come close near the chair. Shubham, Sangam, you only have 10 seconds to do the job. Sangam, 10 seconds ही है आपके पास. I'm gonna do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! There you go, on the chair. Hey, 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 hey. On the chair, on the chair, on the chair. You have to be on the chair. Everybody on the chair, on the chair. Are you all seated on the chair? Sit down on the chair. My God, look at this. You guys are fabulous. I'm in love with each one of you. All of you, this is for you. All of you, this one for you from here. Everybody deserves this. Shubham, we have to give them their chocolates. Okay, let's talk business. Do you want your prizes now? Abhi chahiye? Do you want your chocolates now? I want to look into your eyes and do the business talk. Do you want it now? Make sure that you all deliver. You have to outperform to get your prizes. You all personally wish the birthday boy in your own style. Let's do it in my style. I want all of you to get up on your chair. Put both your hands up in the air. Jump and say happy birthday. Arey baba, abhi nahi karna hai. Main bolunga tab karna hai. Everybody hands up in the air. When I say go, you all jump in the air and say happy birthday. This is my style of saying happy birthday. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Happy birthday. Go back on your chairs. Now, let's do the business. Okay, now, when I say something, are you going to be proactive in it? Okay, so, if you're wearing anything in red, white, blue and green, put your hand up. If you have 2 eyes, 1 nose and 3 ears, put your hands down. I said 3 ears. Nahi hai na? 2 hi hai, to haath uppar khade karo. Okay, if you love chocolates and candies, you'll have to stand up and switch your chair with somebody else. Let's go! Music! Plus that. Aha! I was quick in doing it. I was super quick in doing that. So this is usually what happens. This is exactly like musical chairs. If you relate to whatever I say, and if you switch your chair, luckily if you find a chair, great. If you don't find a chair, you get out in the game. You get eliminated in the game. Have you guys understood how to play? Yes, no, maybe, okay? It is simple, Baba. Just run and find a chair for yourself. If you find one, you're lucky. Otherwise, you're out. Common sense. Nah? Should we all start? But you have to relate to what I say. If you have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 10 toes and 10 fingers, stand up and switch your chair with your neighbor. Baju wala, baju wala. Switch it with your neighbor. See, why did you go running all the way to Pune? लोनावला में था ना बाजू में. That's okay now. You're out. Okay, guys. Oh my God, I'm really happy. Sangam is doing the job for me. Sangam is also playing with us. Shubham, make sure that you also get a chair for yourself. Okay, now all of you, listen to this. Are you all listening? If you want a prize, you want to win in every game, you'll have to quickly stand and switch your chair. Let's go! Hey, hey, hey! Even I need a chair. Good. Ah. Sangam, you also have to pick up chairs in every round so that we have kids getting out. Okay, who's out? Put your hand up. All those are out, just take their chairs. They said he's out. Take his chair. देखा? ये गड़बड़ है, ये गड़बड़ है. Out, nut out के बीच में फर्क ही नहीं पता. Who's nut out? अरे, where is the confusion on the earth? Who is out? ये देख, उसका चेयर ले लो. आउट में हाथ खड़ा करता है ये और चेयर में बैठा है. क्या करता है बाबा तुम? Who is winning the game? If you're winning the game, quickly stand up and switch your chair. Let's go! Shubham! Hey, 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 hey! Without dropping anyone off the chair. Don't let anyone topple off. Take this. Okay, guys, if you're close to winning, if we have the best 20 people left in the game, and if you think you are one of them, you'll have to quickly stand up and switch your chair. Let's go! Hey, hey, hey! Yeah. No Godi. Aha! On the chair. Ah, birthday was here. Aha. Okay, good. How many of them out? What's wrong? Why is the circle not getting smaller and smaller? It is just getting bigger and bigger. It needs to deflate. Why is it inflating? We need someone to get out. What about these big boys out there? Target them. Man, all the chintus should win the game. Shubham, Sangam, karo kuch to. Okay, all those who've got a chair, smile. Smile. Say hello to your neighbor. Say hello, mister. Hello, mister. How do you do? How do you do? Just like a laddu. 1 paisa too. Quickly stand up and switch your chair. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. I got one. Oh. मैं करवा सकता हूँ. Okay. Shubham, Sangam, are we even picking up chairs? What's wrong? Why is nobody getting out in the game? We need to pick up chairs. Who's oh no, she's out long back, 1962. Okay. Now, everyone, hear me out very carefully. We'll soon have the winner of the game. Who wants to be the winner? If you're wearing anything in white, yellow, pink, green, orange, or purple, you don't have to switch your chair with anybody. अरे क्या करता है तुम लोग? कुछ समझ में आता है? बस भागो. The prize is going to come to you because this time you have to quickly stand up and not change your chair. अरे क्या बाबा? इधर कुंफू कराटे हो रहा है चेयर चेंज करने के लिए. My God. सुना था? Okay. चलो फिर final round करते हैं and the winner of the game is the one who can quickly go and sit on any of the red color chair. Red color. मेरा है. ये मेरा है. येलो वाला नहीं. ये मेरा है. Yippee! Aha! Nothing like being sitting on a red chair today evening because you'll be announced as the winner. Aha! Na boo boo, nothing for you, dude. Na boo boo, nothing for these three. Those who are sitting on the red chair, congratulations. Stand up. Come in the center. Shubham, Sangam. Come here in the center. Jump. And stop. Quickly go. Look out for a chair and sit down. अरे किधर गया? Where are the chairs? अरे where are the chairs? Oh, my God. This is not fair, Shubham. You just literally picked all the chairs out. And congratulations to my two dudes. Yeah, please stand up and clap for these two dudes here. Come, you have to clap for them. You guys are not the. अरे ये दो winner है. इधर आ जाओ. इनके ये लोग खुश हो गए. For what? They are happy for no reason. Come here, clap for them. They are the two winners. They did not move at all. Let's give them the prizes. Sangam, दो prize ले आओ. अरे chocolate क्या है यार? Prize ले आओ. No, birthday boy will give the prizes. Abhiyan, let's give it to her. And this one, let's give it to her. Everybody come here, all those who were out in the previous game, previous round, or whatever round that you played, all of you in the center, planning to give out chocolates to every kid who's there, right inside a ring, right inside a circle. Oh, I said you are just like this only winners, not literally the winners. I'm just getting the ring for you, all of you inside the ring. Shubham, Sangam, get me all the rings, quick. Okay, we're putting up rings. All of you, every individual should get inside the ring quickly. All those inside the ring are getting your prizes immediately. Can we have rings all over the place? Everybody. One here, one there, the other one, that corner, this corner, wherever you find one. Nice. Go, go, go. Find a ring. Go. No pushing, no pushing, no pushing, buddy. Nobody's allowed to push anyone. No pushing. Find one ring for yourself. If you have a friend who's really close to you, you can make him stand next to you. Find some space for him as well, but he needs to be inside the ring. You don't have to move at all. We need more rings. All the kids, where are you? We're getting more rings. If you think we are out of rings, no. We have a lot of rings. We're just getting them right now. Do you have a ring for yourself? Let's begin. Thank you. All those who need a ring, quickly come and let me know. Sangam, there are a lot of kids at the back. They were looking out for a ring. They want to join. Just give them a ring. Put up some extra rings. They come in. Yeah. Everybody has a ring. Should we start? Okay. Let's go! Nothing with you while we are playing. Nothing in your hand. Your hands need to be absolutely empty. Singham and Simba out here. Okay? They are very cruel. They are absolutely cruel today. Now, what are we doing? We are basically the sheep out here. Who are we? We are the sheep in the farm. So we are just going around in the farm. All of you come out of the ring. Just go around in the farm. Nobody near the ring. If you are touching the ring when I have the music on, you are out of the game. But like I said, Simba and Singham, they're all the time keeping a watch on you. Now, very importantly, remember one thing. Whenever the music stops, the safest place for you on the planet is the ring. Because if you enter the ring immediately, there is no way Simba and Singham can touch you. They have a stick with them. They will come and tap you right below your calf. If they tap you before you get inside the ring, you are out in the game. Singham, can you please show your stick? Simba, can you show your stick? हाँ, रणवीर सिंह है और एक अजय देवगन है. Okay? तो start करें. You are out. Why are you inside the ring? When I said when we have the music stopped, that's when you get inside the ring. Otherwise, you have to just keep going around. Ready? Let's have the music. Let's go. Are you moving? Yeah. Just keep going. Simba, you there? Aha. And hey, out. This dude is out. Go. Let's move. Out, 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 out. Who's out? Who's out? Simba, who's out? Singham, who's out? Out, outside, outside, outside. Simba. Anybody? Singham? He's out? Okay, good. Let's have the music. Move. Not around it. Outside, outside. This dude is out. He needs to stay outside the ring. Just move. You cannot stay close to it. Just keep moving. Let's go. Out, out. You get tapped by Simba or Singham, you're out. Did you tap him? Let's have the music. Let's go. Keep going. Aha. Hey, hey. Are you on the run? Let's hustle. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Aha. Good job, good job. Simba, I cannot afford to have 1 or 2 of them getting out in every round. I need at least 5, 6 kids getting out in each round. Let's go, music! Quick ones. Faster. Keep moving. Don't stop. Be careful. Don't let Simba Singham tap you. And be on a run. Don't stay close to them. Go. 3, 4 of them, Simba Singham. Well, let's go. Who's out? बर्थडे बॉय को आउट कर दिया. तू भी क्या करता है? मेरा पेमेंट अभी तक आया नहीं है. All those who are eliminated, put your hands up. Are you guys eliminated? Are you out or not out? Is there a confusion between out and not out? Let's solve that. When I say out, you have to go outside the circle. Out. देखा? ये अभी भी अंदर था. In. Out. In, out, 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 out. ये देखिए अभी भी अंदर है. In, out, out, out. Wait. Yeah? Okay, now to make it really simple for you, I'm gonna have my last round. DJ, let's have the music. Outside the circle. Outside the ring if you're stepping in it. You need to get in when the music stops. Not now. Too early for you to do now. We need at least 4, 5 of them to get out. दूर रखो. Far as you can. Hey. Are you quick? No! All those are out, just tap them. All those are out, get them outside the ring. So that it makes my job easier. Outside the ring, those who are out. Those who are out, outside the ring. Those who are out, I don't know. Singham and this guy, Shubham, they're watching. These many kids inside the ring. All of you clap for yourselves loudly. You all will get your chocolates now. Are you happy? Sheep is the most friendliest animal that you see. Birthday boy says cow, so we believe cow. Okay. So listen to this. I have a cow coming up. No. I have a dog coming up. No. Nahi, Shubham, wo nahi. I have a cat coming up. No, I don't have that. But I have a limbo coming up, which is a snake limbo. Have you seen a snake? Touch him. Touch karo. Out. Thank you. Inka bhi naam likh lo. She is also out. You want to touch? Better don't touch. Okay. Shubham, come here. Singham, you be there. Now the snake is going to be held by 2 friends out here. Singham and Shubham? Yes? Okay. Simba. Okay. Listen to this. When the music starts, you got to walk under it by keeping your head up in the air. Okay. Limbo. Very importantly, you cannot touch this while you're going under it. Every round the limbo keeps going down and down and down and down and down and down. But you have to keep moving under it. Anytime during the course of the game, you touch the limbo, you get out. Let's begin the game. We keep it high. When it's high, hey, yo, this way. Yeah, keep it a little far so that we have a bigger round. You want to hold it? Simba, you want to hold it? Just keep moving. Move. You cannot get it low before I ask you to do. Head up. Your head needs to be up. Head cannot be down. Head needs to be up. Head up. Hey. Don't get it low. I'll let you know when to get it low. Keep it high. Keep moving. Move. Faster. Here you go. One sec. Thank you. Prasad, I think Singham and Simba, This game is like a piece of cake for them. इनको इतना नीचे रखो, अब मजा आएगा. Let's complicate it. Music. Without touching it, anybody or whoever is able to do it is going to win the game. One at a time. Anybody out? One, okay. We need a lot of them to get out. Out, out, out. You can't play the further rounds. Out, you cannot play my further rounds. Make sure that we have one person at a time going under the limbo. Not more than one. Without touching. Out, out, out. Out, darling, you're not playing the further round. Out. Not eligible for the final one. Well done, birthday boy. Avyan is the first one to pass through it without touching. The girl in the green dress is out. Next dude to go under it. Well done. Play the final round after this. Wow. These big boys are really fun to watch. Out. Out. Out, 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 out. Hey! Not out. Well done. That girl in the floral dress is out. This buddy. Okay, we'll let you know if you're out or in the game. If you're out, you cannot play the further rounds. Please remember that. My God, we still have so many kids left. I cannot afford to have these many winners. We'll have to do a one big last round where the limbo goes really low. Well done! I think she's the last girl to go and then we do the out, out, out. Thank you. Prasad, thank you. Guys, my God, look at the number of kids for the final round. Sangam, Shubham, क्या करे? करो out. Let's do a final round. अरे इसके नीचे चीटी भी नहीं जाएगी. थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले लो यार. Difficult one. Touch it. चश्मा तो लगेगा ही लगेगा. अरे निकल गई. क्या बात है. Well done. Out. When somebody gets out, I really get happy. No, not from there. Come from the center. Center. संगम थोड़ा पास में आ जा तू. हाँ, बढ़िया है. Out, next. Don't waste time, next. What impossible? We had two who could pass through. So it's not my problem. Out. Let's call out our next player. Birthday boy! Whenever the birthday boy is playing, get blind. Become deaf. Even if he's out, say not out. Out hai? Out hai? Dekha? Well done, birthday boy. Well done. Out! Out हो गया. Next. Out. एक काम कर, ऊपर से जंप कर, ऊपर से कर. Out, 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 out. Next. I think everyone's out. Oh, these are the finalists. They're the final three. Everybody, let's make some noise for my winners. What blue? I'll give you pink. This is for you, birthday boy. No, you keep this for yourself. Now let's give this to him. Then let's give this to her. This girl at the back. And this one for your friend. All the kids, wherever you are, whichever corner you are, I'm calling you everybody right here in the center. We're putting up chairs for you. If you have a chair, you're lucky. You're getting your prizes. Let's put up the chairs. Shubham, Singham, jaldi, jaldi chairs laga lo. No girls here. Only only two girls here. 1, 2, 3 girls there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys. So let's quickly run and touch that pole out there right in the center and quickly come back. Let's go. Touch the pole and be back. Jaldi. Standing right near the pole. You don't have to give a fight to the lady. Just touch the pole and be back. Birthday boy was the first one. Second. I trust you. I believe you. Boys, I need your attention. As soon as they are back, you go next. When he is back, you will go next. When he comes back, you go next. When he comes back, you go next. And when he's back, you go next. When he's back, you go next. That's how we have a relay race. Everybody is going to run back to back. So make sure that you're all ready. Everyone, should we start? When you come back, give him a 5. That's when he will run. Okay? When you come back, you have to give her a 5. Then she runs. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let them be back and the next player will go after it. Hey, wait. Let him give you a 5. Next player. Give him a 5. Come. Give him a 5. That's why I said, Shubham, hold it. Whoever is next, aa jao. Who's next? Idhar aa jao. Next, come here. Hey, girl. It's your turn. Yo. Stay here. Go. Move. Who's next? Chalo, be quick. Ask her to come back from the other side, yeah. Only while going you pass through the ring. When you come back, I'm running straight. Chalo, go. Go. When they come back, ask them to come straight. Don't ask them to pass through the ring. Come straight. Next. Well done. Who's going to win this? Team here on the left or team on the right? The cats or the dogs? How many more to go? हो गया. Everybody's done. Thank you. So what were you doing? Go. Are you done? Next day. Are you done? After he's back, you go. And then you go. When she comes back, then you go. Wait. Let's go. Done? Good. Prasad. Birthday boy, wait. And the winners are the Birthday Boys team. Music, Prasad. Go through, come back. Touch the marker, and then the next one will go. Let's go! Which team is gonna win this? Next player, touch the marker. Touch the marker, birthday boy, touch the marker. Touch touch the marker, and then the next one goes. Touch this, touch this. Why are we not touching the marker? You have to touch the marker, I said. Touch it, touch it. This is the end point. Yes, that's when we have the next player running. Touch here, touch here, touch here. Nobody's touching the cone. Touch the cone. Well done. Birthday Boys team, they know how to play the drill. That's the marker. Good. Which team is going to win this? We have a difficult competition. Cats versus the dogs. Come back straight. सीधा आने दो, सीधा आने दो. Jump नहीं करना है, सीधा आओ. Nah, you didn't touch it, you didn't touch it. You have to touch it. Now sit down. Guys, you're not following the drill. If you don't touch it, you're not starting. Hey, 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 he hasn't touched it. One sec. Ask him to touch. Touch it. Go. Guys are making the rules really simple. You start by touching, you end by touching. Go. Is it too high for them? Come straight, come straight. Come straight. सीधा आओ, सीधा आओ, सीधा आओ. Straight out, straight out, straight out. आते हुए straight out. You are here, you are here. आप इधर हो. इनके पीछे खड़े हो जाओ. Wait करो, wait करो. Go. Straight out. Stay here. Come here. I'll tell you when to run. Wait, wait. He hasn't jumped over the hurdle, huh? Come. They're not jumping over the hurdle. Next. Sangam, a lot of kids are not jumping over the hurdle. Keep watching. While coming, you don't have to jump, Baba. Go back, sit. She hasn't touched. Ask her. Ask her to come and touch. Go. Hey, 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 touch, touch. Ready? Should we start? 3, 2, 1, let's pull! Who's gonna pull it? Who's gonna pull it? Who's gonna pull it? Pull, 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 Simba! Birthday Boys team! Oh! Women's team! खींचो! जोर लगा के! जोर लगा के! Thank you. Birthday Boys team, they've won the first round. 1. एक करते हैं इसके बाद मॉम्स के लिए. Let's go. Let's ball. Who's gonna win this? Thank you. And the dogs have won the race. It's a tie. Now, kids, you'll have to call your mothers to help you in this round. Call your moms. Chalo. जोर लगा के कुछ तो करो. 3, 2, 1. Let's ball. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win this? Cats for the dogs. Cats for the dogs. And the winners! Well done. Well done. Okay. All the mothers, make sure you remember you were a part of this game and I'm going to give you your chocolates later, your prizes later. We're setting up the chairs for the kids. All the kids get seated. We have a show coming up. The chairs are ready. Baith jao jaldi. Oh, we have Vignesh Pandey coming up. My friend, my dude. One of the most funniest ventriloquists you'll find in Mumbai. He's right here to perform for Avyan's birthday. His name is Vignesh Pandey, one of Mumbai's best ventriloquists you'll find on the planet. Right before I call him, I want all of you to clap for him. Let's make some noise for him. And DJ, let's have music.
Hello everybody, hi. Are you all enjoying the birthday? Are you all sure? Yes, I like that energy because some of you here, especially this side, not because now Jackson is sitting there, because he was very energetic. You all saw, right? Can you have a huge round of applause for Jackson, bhai? Amazing, energetic person, right? Then what is happening to you all sitting right ahead of him? When I was asking questions, they are all shouting loudly, and what are you doing? Why are you shouting? Right? They did that, right? Yeah? See, you have to be energetic. I'm going to ask it again. Are you all enjoying? Yes! Do you all want to enjoy more? Yeah! Do you all know why I'm here? Why? Give things. I'm here to give things. I'm Santa Claus. Give things. No. And yeah, I have the beard and I think in 6 months I'll become white also. Yeah. मेरा बैग मैं घर पे छोड़ के आया क्योंकि सेंटा क्लॉज का ट्रैफिक में फंस गया बैग. Any other guesses? Any other guesses? No. No. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You tell me.
Santa Claus is not real.
That is true because Santa Cruz is not real. You're right.
He was there. First he was there. Now he is not there.
First he was there. Now he's not there. But Santa Claus is not real. You tell me.
Because Santas go.
Because Santa, all of you have the right answers to the question, why am I here? Alien. I'm here because I'm alien. Funny. But why alien? Do I look like an alien? Yeah. Why? Funny. ये आइडिया अच्छा है क्या बोल. अगर मैं फनी, ये बहुत सही बोला है. बोला आप फनी हो, आप कुछ फनी करने आए हो तो मुझे जूस पिला दो. जूस पिला दो. आप सबको जूस पीना है? Are you all thirsty? हाँ, drink afterwards. मेरे को एलियन बोला, मैं तेरे को जूस पीने. Okay, so I'll ask you again. Okay, this time you have to be very loud. Whose Titanic bracelet is this? Who threw it in the ocean? No. कहाँ सर पे पहना था आपने? आप क्यों पहन रहे थे ये? तो ये किसका है? Okay, I'm going to keep it aside for whoever it is. Mummies. Yeah! Because I am asking this question because I am also excited. This is my birthday and you're all my friends. So thank you for being here and thank you for coming. क्या हो गया अभी तुमको? Why did you do? It is my birthday. It is my birthday. Yes, it is. Why would you say it's not my birthday? Yeah, I know. See, he's also saying my name is Avyan. Yes. So, nahi. So, friends.
They are not your friends
Why are they not my friends?
because they are calling you alien.
नहीं, वो मजाक में बोल रहे थे.
Yeah, they are laughing at you
What? Why will they laugh at me?
because you look like a joker.
Oh. I don't look like a joker, right? Obviously. How many of you think I look like a joker? Put your hand down. ये देखो, ये देखिए, आपको सेंटा क्लॉज चाहिए थी ना? सेंटा क्लॉज की बीवी आ गई है, मुझे जोकर बोल रही है. गिफ्ट दो इनको. I asked them why am I here to give things. He is not. Let me ask him. Let me ask him. He definitely isn't Avyan. Avyan, are you Avyan or I am Avyan?
Me.
See, he's saying me. So now me. Wait ना, all Avyan के look alike हो क्या तुम लोग? बैठो ना एक मिनट. Let me ask him. Okay, I'm asking. Avyan. Wait, what are you doing? Avyan, are you Avyan or I am Avyan? You all say he's Avyan? ये देखो आपके दोस्त. Yes. He's Avyan. You all say he's Avyan? Okay, it's still my birthday. Now, I am going to start. Do you want to take a guess why I'm here?
Puppet show.
Oh, how many of you say I'm here for puppet show? Put your hand up and shout loudly. Yay! Lovely! ये मेरा पपेट नहीं है, ये किसी और का पपेट है. इसका रिमोट कंट्रोल कहाँ घूम रहा है? ये वाईफाई पे. आपके वो मम्मी पापा, यार सॉरी, आपके मम्मी पापा कहाँ पे? एक तो मैं भी डोनाल्ड डक का कपड़ा पहन के आया हूँ, वो भी है, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा ही बेटा है वो. बाबा, इसके पहले कंफ्यूजन हो जाए किसी को. आपके पापा भी बोलेंगे लेके जाओ, 18 साल का होगा उसके बाद लेके आना. Why? मैं अगर चुप बैठा तो पैसे कौन देगा? Oh, right. Yes. So you are right. I will call my friend here now.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Stop saying no.
Okay.
And don't talk now.
You don't talk.
I have to talk because I have to say something important to them.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. If you stop talking, I can say it to them.
Okay, don't talk.
So, that's my friend.
I am not your friend.
You are my friend क्योंकि आप यहाँ पर मेरे साथ आए हो.
तो तू रिक्शा वाला है तो मेरी गलती है क्या?
वे वो बाद में वो अभी नहीं. That's afterwards, not now.
Oh, sorry.
Now don't disturb me when I'm talking.
You don't disturb me when I'm talking.
So that's my friend and he's going to make you all laugh.
No.
Yes.
No.
Stop saying no.
Okay.
So this is what we are going to do, okay? It's very simple. On the count of 3, we all
Go home.
There are a lot of things remaining. We don't go home. We will all stay. You all stay, okay? On the count of 3.
You go home.
I will go after I'm done with the show. Space, yes. हो गया तुम्हारा भूपेंद्र जोगी भी खत्म हो गया अभी स्पेस भी खत्म हो गया अभी रुक जाओ
और तुम घर पे जाओ.
तुमने बुलाया क्या इसको इट्स लाइक यू बोथ अ टीम वो समझ में अच्छा ओके लेट मी डू दिस आई विल जस्ट कॉल हिम ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 वी ऑल स्टार्ट डांसिंग वी नो वी विल डांस लेटर अभी कोई डांस नहीं करेगा
तो तू डांस करना.
मैं यहाँ पे डांस करने नहीं आया हूँ
तो तू क्या इधर झाड़ू मारने आया?
वो बाद में यार वो भी अभी that is also afterwards. Now let me focus on what I'm going to say. On the count of 3, we all start clapping. Can you all show me how you clap? Nice and loudly. Come on. Nice and loudly. Show me how much energy you still have. Because Jackson Bhai is looking at you from there. And he has prizes. He's told me the nicest, the goodest boy and the goodest girl is going to get a brand new BMW. Who wants a BMW? License hai kya? Yeah. बिल्डिंग में तो मेरे भी है मेरे पास पहिए का पैसा नहीं है उसका आ जाओ इसको बेटा बोलने के लिए भी डर लग रहा है मुझे कि सिट डाउन बेटा ओके नाउ एवरीबॉडी बी क्वाइट आई लाइक दैट एनर्जी कीप दैट एनर्जी हाँ यू टोन डाउन द एनर्जी हाँ आई एम अ छोटू बच्चू यस I am going to get him. I'm just seeing so that everybody settle down. Now no one move and nobody talk.
You also don't talk.
I have to talk.
Okay.
Yeah. Shh. Now. He looks like a very funny doll and he's so funny he doesn't know how to dress. He forgot his shoe at home.
You forgot your brain at home.
You want to say anything to me? Come here and talk to me.
Okay.
Now. Shh. You are all going to get a chance to ask him a question. Do you all want a chance to ask a question to him? It's going to be fun. But right now, you have to promise me that you stop talking. You can enjoy the show. Believe me, you're going to enjoy the show. But this is just small request I have from all of you, okay? Just sit, enjoy, don't move now, don't talk now. And once he gets comfortable, once he gets friendly, we will all have fun with him. Okay, are you all ready? I can't hear you. Are you all ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Just managed to keep them quiet. Just wait now. Where did Avyan go?
Magic trick.
Any idea? हाँ exactly. मेरे को लगता है अव्यान
सुसु करने गए.
तुम चुप बैठो एक मिनट. Let's go. Shh. Okay, let's go. Let's start, huh? 1, 4. You know what? He's wasted enough time. We'll just start, okay? Do you have some music ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's start clapping. Let's have some music.
Envolvente que mexe com a mente de quem tá presente. As novinhas salientes fica loucona e se joga pra gente. Eu falei assim pra ela.
Thank you so much, and I can't hear you clapping for him. Come on, clap for him, and let me tell you, he's so funny. He's going to make you laugh. Stop. Stop doing that. Yeah. So yeah. What is this? What are you doing?
I'm doing tan 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 tan. ये बजाना म्यूजिक बजा.
Don't play the music now.
ये बजाना. क्या हो गया तेरे को पैसा नहीं दिएगा?
मैंने उनको बोला है म्यूजिक बंद करने के लिए.
क्यों तेरे को पैसा नहीं दिएगा? चुप कर.
You don't know why we are here?
No.
I'll tell you why we are here. But before that, you all want to say hi to him? Come on, wave your hand and say hi. They're so lovely. They're saying hi to you. Now you look at them and say bye. Hey, not bye. You just came here. No, you can't say bye. Start the show by saying something good. You can say goodbye. Hey, not goodbye, Eric. You can say hello, honey bunny. Start by saying hi or start by saying hello because we are here.
Where are we?
You know what? I'll just tell him. See, we are here.
For your शादी.
We are not here for my shadi. No. We are here for Avyan.
की शादी.
Just read what's written behind and you'll know why we are here.
Yeah.
We are not, sorry. We are not here for Avyan's shadi, okay? Read it.
Yeah. Avyan 6.
Yes. So why are we here?
We are here for Avyan 6th शादी.
Exactly. We are here for his 6th birthday. Say sorry to Avyan. Come on. He's not here, but you can wish him. Come on. It's his birthday. Go for it.
Yeah. Happy New Year, Avyan.
Happy New not New Year. It's his birthday. So you're going to say
Merry Christmas.
yes, it starts with happy, not merry. They're giving you hints. Now look at them. Look at them and just wish Avyan in the air, okay? Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Happy Diwali. No. Happy Makar Sankranti. No. Happy Holi. No. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. They're not wishing you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, yaar.
Arey yaar, we are telling you what to say. Bye. Go behind and sit because if you come close, we'll have to stop the show. So, as I was saying,
You don't know?
I know you're not letting me speak.
Thank you.
We are here for Avyan's birthday. So you're going to say happy birthday. Now look at Avyan and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, he'll wish. I'll also wish him happy birthday.
You keep quiet.
You know what? I'll wish him later. I'll sing the birthday song for him.
Even I want to sing.
You want to sing? Yeah. Okay, we both will sing it for him. But before that, I want you to welcome all his friends and family here. Yeah? Let's do it.
Yes. Yeah.
Come on. Welcome everybody.
Yes.
You will welcome everybody.
Yeah. How?
You don't know how?
No.
Okay, I'll teach you. It's very simple, okay? You just have to look at them and say hello ladies and...
Ladies.
Hey, no. Say hello ladies and gentlemen. What do you say? That's what you say. You say hello ladies and gentlemen.
And children also.
Oh, he's not wrong. Yes, of course, my friends. Yes. And children.
And the game host.
Yes. And the game host.
And DJ wale dadu.
Yes. And DJ.
Wale dadu mera gana.
We are just going to call him DJ. Oh?
Wale.
Yes. And DJ.
And photo uncle also.
And photo uncle also.
And दूसरा photo uncle. And joker uncle also.
Yeah. No, this is a farm theme. There is no joker uncle here.
You are there na joker uncle.
They'll tease me later. Tell them I'm not a joker.
Hey, he's not a joker.
She's saying I'm not a joker.
He's a
You want to tell? I will do it. You don't want to welcome them. Do you all want to know his name? I can't hear you. Do you all want to know his name? Yes, okay, see. They want to know your name. Look at them and tell them your name.
What is your name?
No, don't ask them. Tell them what is your name.
I'm asking you, not a hello.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay, friends, I'll tell you all my name, yeah? That's Avyan, you remember, right?
Yes. Looks like hero.
He's a hero, right?
He has Spider-Man on his face. Yeah.
That's a web. Yes. So, I was saying you all want to know his name. First, I'll tell you all my name. My name is Vignesh Pandey, but my friends call me
Chultan Pandey.
No.
Hold the.
No. My friends call me Viggy, okay? It's my nickname. So, you all can call me.
Chiki Wiki.
You all can call me Viggy. You call me.
Pandey ji uncle.
Pehle to don't call me uncle.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Pandey ji auntie.
No.
Pandey ji दाढ़ी वाली आंटी.
You will call me.
Pandey ji.
You call me Vignesh, yeah?
Yeah.
So, I am Vignesh and you are.
I don't know.
Avyan is the birthday boy's name. You can't be Avyan, okay? Wait, friends. I'll tell you his name. His name is Tito. Oh, yes, that's his name. So he is Tito and I am
Pandey ji.
Hey, no. Yes, you can call me Viggy. You will call me
Pandey ji.
So I am Viggy. He is Tito. And now, friends, if you want a chance to ask him a question, do you all want a chance to ask him a question? Yeah, okay. I will all give you a chance. But before that, I will ask him some questions, okay? Yeah?
And who is going to answer?
If I ask you a question, who is going to answer?
This photo wala uncle.
Questions are very simple, okay? Okay, see, you are here for Avyan's birthday.
Yes, you are not here.
Sorry, I mean we both are here.
And everybody else went home.
I'm sorry, this is my fault. See, we all are here for Avyan's birthday.
Yes.
So are you enjoying?
Why you are not enjoying?
That's how you answer. So now you tell me, Tito, are you enjoying? I have this last question, all right? Tell me, what can you do to make us all laugh?
Nothing.
वो एग्जैक्टली बोलने नहीं दे रहे. देखो, मेरे को एक बात बताओ, तुम कुछ नहीं. Can you dance or sing?
Oh yes, I can sing.
You can sing?
Yes.
You all want him to sing?
Say no.
Do you all want him to sing? Yeah, even I want you to sing. So tell me, what can you sing?
What can you teach me?
You want me to teach you a song?
Yes.
Okay. I know you all are grown up, but he's a young friend. So will you all help me teach him some poems? I can't hear you. Will you all help me? All right. So we'll sing. Right now we'll start with some simple poems because I don't really think he can sing.
I can. Indian Idol में आया था मैं.
We'll find out. Do you all know Johnny Baba Black Sheep? Yeah. Okay, let's start singing Baba Black Sheep together. Come on. Baba Black Sheep.
Everybody good. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the lane, 1 for the little dog.
Lives down the lane. Wow, clap for yourselves. Come on, clap loudly. Don't do conjusi. This is for you. You know the poems that are nice. Okay. So, we'll change the poem. You all know Johnny.
हाँ जी.
Hey, no. The poem that your teacher is teaching you.
Professor Honey Singh.
No.
Professor Dacha.
The teacher in your school. Do you all know that poem? No, you don't know that poem? I can figure that out. Yeah, that's all. Now I and Tito will sing this poem, and if he sings it wrong, you all tell me, okay? Yeah? Are you all ready? I can't hear you. Are you all ready? Right. Okay. So let's go.
Yeah,
Come on. Johnny.
और कैसा है सर ठीक?
I'm singing, no? Sing with me.
Yeah.
Johnny.
अरे बाटली फेंक के मारा नहीं इसको.
मत मारना, please.
50 रुपए देता हूँ मार इसको.
We are going to sing the poem first.
Then he throws the bottle at you.
Wait. Yeah. We'll sing the poem. Ready?
Ready.
Come on. Johnny.
क्या घास का क्या फोटो ले रहे थे?
Sing the photo. Yeah, sing the photo. बोल. Sorry, camera uncle. Sing the song with me. Yeah, come on. Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Joker.
No?
Yes, alien.
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Tata.
Eating sugar. No, Tata. Telling lies.
Yes, of course.
Telling yes. Yeah. Open your mouth.
No, thank you.
When I say open your mouth, you look at me and open your mouth.
Why, you're a dentist?
I say open your mouth, you do. You shout like that. I go open your mouth, you do.
Hi, Oyan.
Yes.
How are you? क्या घर नहीं लग रही हूँ?
How are you? मतलब कैसे हो तुम?
Oh, yeah. Hi, Oyan.
Yes.
क्यों होते?
कैसे हो? You देखो हम लोगों ने अभी इनको यहाँ पे बुलाया ना, हाँ तो हम लोग वो करते हैं.
हाँ, चलो Oyan, बर्थडे सॉन्ग गाओ.
नहीं. So Avian, this is what we are going to do, okay? Now I and Tito are going to sing the birthday song.
For Oyan.
Yeah. Yes, we all know this is
For Oyan.
Yes, for Avian. So Avian, are you ready?
For Oyan.
You want to ask him?
Yes.
You ask him.
Oyan, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, he's ready.
Pandit ji, are you ready?
Yes. You know what? Yes, I'm ready. Tito, are you ready?
No.
Why?
I want to go to Susu first.
Go wherever you want later, not now, okay?
Okay.
We'll sing the birthday song for him now. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Yeah. Tata.
Yeah, no. What? Let me start. Yeah, come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
What happened?
What? I'm giving you timing so that you can sing better. Sing the birthday song, no? Sing the birthday song.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
To you, Tata.
Happy birthday
To you, Tata.
Happy birthday.
Dear la.
Happy birthday.
Dear Sutherland.
Nice, but no.
Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Shubham, you'll have to remove all the chairs.
Like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but
Just keep
tonight
on
go
telling
crazy.
it.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Go back.
Hey, so now you know the
Some
game.
more.
Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Let's go. One more Bollywood song.
Like
DJ.
I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Just meet me Just meet me
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
up for everybody. 3, 2, 1, let's have the music.
Make some noise for the Dicey Boys.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
D-Boys. D-Boys.
Nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby. You can go and ask her. My life is a movie.
Thank you so much, Abhiyan, coming in your very own style, the cowboy style. Birthday boy is all set for the cake cutting. Family members, friends, all of you, we'll request you to come close. Let's join for the cake cutting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's play the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Abhiyan.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शाम आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शाम
की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई
के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में सब उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया
इस दिल की राहों से बहकी निगाहों से कातिल अदाओं से तुझको है फसाना कुछ मीठी बातों से कुछ झूठे वादों से पक्के इरादों से दिल को है चुराना
रख लूं सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया
तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया
तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया
Miss Worldwide
तू मेरी मदहोशी है
India
तू मेरा है अफसाना Making me so happy, shaking my body
Hey Harinam Burn it up Fire Oh yeah, la cosa se puso caliente Oh yeah, la cosa se puso caliente Let's ride, let's go, next stop, India Mumbai, New Delhi, Pune Hands up, Calcutta, Bangalore Everybody hands up, know it's getting hot, hot, hot Get your hands up, fire Everybody know I got that fire I always set the world on fire Candela, 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 candela
नी अखियों से मार दे कुड़िए गोली गोली सीने वड़ जावे मुंडे मरदे स्लोली स्लोली जैसे नागिन लड़ जावे नी तू यस यू ब्रो मी आवे गल सुन ले नारे आग लगे दुनिया में जो तू मेरी हो जावे दिल में तू रहती है I'm gonna make you crazy बेताबी कहती है I'm gonna make you my baby I keep praying all day all night long हरे राम
hot tonight. Burn it up, everybody getting hot tonight. Everybody getting hot tonight. We on fire. Everybody getting hot tonight. Everybody getting hot tonight. Burn it up, everybody getting hot tonight. Everybody getting hot tonight. We on fire. We on fire.
ਗਿਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਟੌਪ ਟੂ ਬਾਟਮ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਜਿੰਦ ਲੈ ਗਈ ਮੈਡਮ ਹਿੱਲਿਆ ਨੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਨੀ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਵੇ ਚੰਚਲ ਓਏ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਹਸੀਨਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੀ ਯਾਰ ਨਗੀਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਨੀ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਵੇ
तेरी जुल्फों के नीचे है मेरे ख्वाबों की जन्नत तेरी बाहों में आके बेचैनी को मिलती राहत My only wish is if I ever could make you mine Everyone pray with me now all day all night long
Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare. Let's go crazy. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Mr. Worldwide. Oh yeah, la cosa se puso caliente. Oh yeah, la cosa se puso caliente. Hasta la vista. We be moving now.
I'm gonna use every
ਹੁਸਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੌਬਾ 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 ਕੁੜੀਏ 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 ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਗੋਰੀਏ
Yes, I'll be your woman. Yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready.
Baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.